Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I am going to show you how to make French toast sticks. Very simple recipe, kind of sinful, but yummy yummy. All right, so let me show you how it's done. So first you take any bread of your choice. I used a local brand and it's just white bread, a lot like Wonder Bread. And I want to cut it in 4 equal strips. And so basically that's what I'm doing with my knife because your eyes are very good at finding the half point of things. So that's what I used. Or you can measure it if you want to be that precise. So gently cut. The knife will do the work for you. And I probably should have used a cutting board, but it was early in the morning. I'm just like, this will work. I'm only doing a few. So I used 3 slices of bread, and usually for 3 slices, 2 eggs are enough, but I guess I had them soaking too long. And so basically the ratio I use is for every egg, it's about 2 tablespoons of milk. All right. So if you do find that you need a little more, just add 1 egg and 2 more tablespoons of milk and mix it together. All right. So you know, in an iron skillet, and I used a small one. It was probably about a 6-inch round iron skillet, and I wanted a small one so I'd have deeper oil because the deeper oil gives it more of the texture that I wanted. I mean, you could cook these with just a touch of oil at the bottom of the skillet, but the texture won't be the same, but it'll still be good. All right, so it's pretty simple. You just I did 3 at a time. You just put uh, your bread into the egg mixture, let it soak up that good egg mixture, and then you put it in the oil and you let it brown on both sides. Very simple. And I had this on a speed where I'm going times 2, so it doesn't go quite as fast as these did. All right. So I'm got my bowl with the egg mixture, you know, and I have, I think, 4 pieces there, you know, just work in small batches, you know. And so it is kind of slimy. I used my hands this time, but I think it's actually better if you use a fork. And you'll see how it looks in just a little bit when you use the fork. But look how fast they go. That egg mixture kind of puffs it up a little bit. It adds for an amazing texture. All right, so this is the last batch I have. And like I said, just work in, small batches and don't leave the stove because they go pretty quick. It only takes like a couple minutes for each side, and one thing you may want to think about what you want to serve with these. You could serve like apple pie filling or cherry pie filling along with these, or you could use maple syrup or a little honey. You could have a little whipped cream to go with these. Maybe you'll top them with a little cinnamon and sugar or a little powdered sugar. It's up to you. I I just like them plain. You'll see how I served mine up in just a second. But yeah, these were so good. And just having them kind of plain is all right too. You know, you can serve them with whatever syrup you like. I like the pure maple syrup, but if you like Mrs. Butterworth or Log Cabin, go ahead and use those. All right, and so if you noticed, I did move my French toast sticks to a plate that was lined with a paper towel to kind of absorb any of the extra grease. I also try to shake the spatula to get some of that grease to drop back into the pan. All right, and you can filter that grease. All right, and reuse it. So here are my completed French toast sticks. Like I said, I just wanted a little maple syrup, and a little syrup goes a long way. You don't have to fill up that whole container. I just maybe like a quarter inch of syrup in there. And my blueberries, that was the last of my blueberries. They were really good. So anyway, I want to show you how creamy the inside looks. And before I go, thank you for stopping by. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and I will see you next time. Man, these are so good. Let me know in the comments if you make these, all right? Okay, take care, y'all. I'll see you next time.